Let us start with next one. That is question number 6. Which of the following compound would not evolve carbon dioxide when treated with sodium bicarbonate solution? So here salicylic acid, since acidic group means there should be an involvement of carboxylic acid group. When it is treated with NaOH, salicylic acid will give out carbon dioxide gas. Benzoic acid, 4-nitrobenzoic acid, all these three, when it is treated with sodium bicarbonate, it evolves carbon dioxide. But when it comes to option B, that is phenol, phenol does not decompose with sodium carbonate. Phenol does not decompose sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Means when phenol is made to react with sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3 or NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate, it does not decompose to give carbon dioxide. And here this carbon dioxide is not evolved when phenol is made to react with Na2CO3 or NaHCO3, that is sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. The major reason is that because phenol is a weaker acid. So the correct answer for this question is option B, that is phenol. Next one, question number 7. When a mixture of calcium benzoate and calcium acetate is dry distilled, the resulting compound is, so they have given it as what? Calcium benzoate. So to write calcium benzoate, you should know benzoic acid formula. This is the formula for benzoic acid. And to write calcium acetate, you should know the formula for acetic acid. So replace the hydrogens by what? Calcium. So calcium benzoate means OC double bond OC6H5, because benzoate valency is -1, calcium valency is +2. Write this as 2 times. This is the formula for what? Calcium benzoate. So it has to react with what? Calcium acetate. So calcium acetate ion, you write OC double bond OCH3, OC double bond OCH3. This is known as what? Calcium acetate. When it is subjected to heating at a temperature of 400 degrees Celsius, it loses calcium carbonate. See this? This is one calcium carbonate gets eliminated. This is another calcium carbonate which gets eliminated. That is 2 moles of CaCO3 is given out. What is left here? C6H5, C double bond O and C6H5. Here C double bond O CH3 and CH3. This C6H5 C double bond O bind with CH3. That is what? C6H5 C double bond O CH3. This also CH3 C double bond O with C6H5. Hence 2 moles of C6H5 C double bond O CH3 is obtained, which is nothing but what? Acetophenone. Hence, the correct answer for the question is acetophenone, which is given by the option A. Next one, question number 8. Which of the following does not give benzoic acid on hydrolysis? Here, phenyl cyanide will give benzoic acid on hydrolysis. Even benzoyl chloride also give benzoic acid on hydrolysis. Methyl benzoate also give benzoic acid on hydrolysis. But option C, that is benzyl chloride. Formula for benzyl chloride is what? C6H5CH2Cl. This is called as benzyl chloride. When this benzyl chloride is made to react with aqueous NaOH, when it is made to react with aqueous NaOH, further subjecting to hydrolysis, it gives rise to C6H5CH2OH. That is nothing but what? Benzyl alcohol along with the formation of NaCl. Hence, benzyl chloride cannot give benzoic acid, where it can give benzyl alcohol. And the correct answer for the question is what? Option C. Next one, question number 9. The reagent used in Clemenson's reduction is, so when it comes to Clemenson's reduction, in Clemenson's reduction, which is a named reaction, we use zinc amalgam in the presence of concentrated HCl, where the carbonyl group that is present in the reactant gets converted into an what? Alkane. This reaction is known as Clemenson's reduction, which is given by the option B. Next one, question number 10. The product formed when hydroxylamine condenses with a carbonyl group is, so here let us take a carbonyl group. This is the carbonyl group. It has to be reacted with what? Hydroxylamine, which is a derivative of ammonia. This is the formula. NH2OH is known as hydroxylamine. So when it is subjected to just heating, water molecule gets eliminated. So when water molecule gets eliminated, what is left out? C double bond N, because H2O is taken out, single bond OH. This is called as oximes. So oximes are the products which are obtained when an carbonyl group is made to react with hydroxylamine, which is given by the option B. Next one, question number 11. The compound on dehydrogenation gives a ketone. The original compound is, so here they are telling that on dehydrogenation, compound on dehydrogenation gives ketone. Means if it has to give a ketone, means it should be a 2-degree alcohol or a secondary alcohol, because when I write the reaction R dash with H with O and H, this is an secondary alcohol. So this secondary alcohol, upon heating with copper by maintaining a temperature of 300 degrees Celsius, H is taken out as H plus. The negative charge on oxygen will shift between this carbon. This hydrogen is taken out as hydride ion, which is written as RC double bond OR dash plus of H2. Hence, the alcohol should be a secondary alcohol, which is given by the option D.